I'm Precious from Broaddrive, and in this video I'm going to explain everything you need to know on how you can order for your hosting plan on Broaddrive. And be rest assured that at the end of this video you can be able to order for your hosting plan from anywhere and at any time. So let's get started. First off, you need to understand what web hosting is about. Web hosting has to do with storing your website on a server to make it accessible to users. To explain it further, you know that if your website is stored on your computer system, only those who have access to your computer system will be able to access your website and its content. But if this website is stored on a server, it can be accessible to users globally and they can access it from anywhere and at any time. So having explained what web hosting is, let's go straight to the different hosting plans which are available at Broaddrive Hosting Solutions. At Broaddrive Hosting Solutions, we have four main hosting plans. Those are the shared hosting, the SSD cloud hosting, the SSD dedicated hosting, and the sandbox hosting. Before we go further, I would like you to note that the type of hosting plan you choose is depending on your type of website and the functionality of your website. So having said this, let's go to our website and go through the different hosting plans for better understanding. So once you've gone to your browser and you've typed broaddrivehosting.net, this is what you come up as your home page. So as we can see here, we have the web hosting menu there, and it's listing all the hosting plans we earlier discussed. That's the shared hosting, the SSD cloud hosting, the SSD dedicated hosting, and the sandbox hosting. And remember that while choosing a hosting plan, it is very necessary for you to go through each of these hosting plans to choose the one that best suits your website. So we are going to start with the shared hosting. We're going to look at the features of the shared hosting plan. And as you can see here, the shared hosting is divided into two. That's the personal hosting and the business hosting. And in each of them, we have different other sub hosting plans. Those are the beginner hosting, the standard hosting, the advanced hosting, the setup hosting, professional hosting, and the enterprise hosting. And from what we can see here, each of these hosting plans have different features and benefits, and that is why you need to go through each of them to know which one best suits your site. So we are going to go through the SSD cloud hosting to check out the features of each of them too. We can see the vCloud 25, we can see the vCloud 40, we can see the vCloud 60, and we can see the vCloud 100. And as you can see, each of them also have their different features and benefits. So having gone through all the hosting plans and having seen the different features of them, we are going to choose one for the benefits of this for this video. So let's assume that you're a blogger and having gone through all the hosting plans, you feel that the beginner hosting is suitable for your blog and you want to order for this hosting plan. So let's go through the process of how you can order for this hosting plan. And please note that this process also applies to the other hosting plans. So let's get started. We are going to click on I want this. And okay, it has opened. So we are going to click on I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. We are clicking on this because we assume that you already have an existing domain. That is, you already have a name for your website. So we're going to type in a wrong and non-existent domain name. We're going to type in precious dot with the file extension because I want to show us something. As we can see here, the domain we entered is not valid, and that is because we entered the domain wrongly. So we are going to enter a valid domain and we're going to enter it the right way. So we're going to use broaddrivehosting.net. While doing this, you need to make sure you're using the right domain extension, and that is .net, .com.ng, org.ng, the net.ng. Using the right domain name leads you to this stage, and as you can see here, it's telling you to choose a billing cycle. That is whether you want to pay monthly or annually. So we are going to choose our billing cycle. We are going to choose annually. So we'll click on it. So from what you can see here, it's showing you available add-ons. That's if you want to add additional features or functionalities to your site, but that is beyond the scope of this video today. So we're going to click on continue. So after you click on that, it will take you to this page, which is the checkout page. So the only thing you have to do here is to enter a promo code, and that's it if you have one. So apart from that, you just click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, this is the page that pops up. All you have to do is to fill in your details, your personal information, billing address, and then you choose a payment method that is most stable for you. Then you click on complete order. Once you click on complete order, all you have to do is just to make payments, and voila, your hosting plan is ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope with this you can order for your hosting plan. And to learn more about Broaddrive services, visit our website and also follow us on social media. Thank you. Bye.